Okay, I have another Dorma with Slade Keyway Challenge lock. Lock does work very smooth. It is locked up. This is a bitting on the key. It's a 6-pin. So let's open it up, look at the pins. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway, and let's use this pick. Let's start at the front of the lock, and let's use light tension. There's a little bit on pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, some more on pin 3, I believe, or maybe it's pin 2. It's pin 2. A little bit on pin 6, pin 5, okay, a little feedback on pin 1, okay, here's pin 1 again. Let's go back to the back, pin 6, there's some more on pin 1, some more on pin 5. As we went back, touch pin 5 and it went a little bit more. Okay, let's go to the back again. Okay, let's try this other pick now. See if we can get to the back. Okay, we're still getting some feedback on pin 6, I believe. Yeah, let's check the other pins again. See if we can get to the back again. I think just a little bit more on pin 6. Okay, we're still getting some feedback on pin 6. See if we can get it to set. I believe pin 6 set. Okay, there it is, open on pin 1. Alright, let's see if we can slide her out. Okay, that worked out nice. Okay, we'll look at these pins a little bit closer. Get them all out. all 6 of them. Let's look at the plug now. Okay, the plug is threaded in 3, 4, and 6. Nothing on, well, a little bit of threading or counter milling on the rest of them, just a touch of it though. But 3, 4, and 6 are heavily threaded. Alright, let's check our bottom pins. Pin number 6. See if we can get that out. Okay, it's pin 6. I mean pin 5, and this is pin 4. Alright, let's see if we can get pin 3 out. And then pin 2. And let's see about pin 1. Okay, there's pin 1. Okay, there has not been anything changed up about the Bible. It's still all standard factory. So let's look at our bottom pins. Yeah. Okay, on pin 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this looks like a standard pin number 1. Key pins are serrated on all 3. This is a trampoline type pin, similar. This is another spool, mushroom spool. Here's another similar to a trampoline pin. And this is another serrated type pin. Both key pins are serrated. I think we missed one. No, it's all 3 of them. Okay, and then on pin number 6 is a double spool, long on bottom, short on top. Okay, all our key pins are serrated, and all the upper pins are either serrated and are double spooled. Okay, I appreciate you watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.